It's but I'm watching him try to. There he goes. You fucking. He's taunting us. He's right there, you guys.
Oh.
What's going on, guys? My name's Will. I'm a homeless roofer, going through the winter at 25 in a box truck RV with a buddy of mine. You guys want to burn a little midnight oil? Hang out with me for a minute. I gotta be up at 6, but whatever. What the fuck else is new? Metal roof. We're doing metal roof tomorrow. I just woke up again. I have this nose problem I've been addressing lately. And 3, 2, 1. Really? Are you you jumped off it? It's not a diving board, god damn it. Poor little bastards. I love being woken up at 1:30 in the morning when I have to be up at 6. That's the 2-for-1 special. Got it for Lysol. Back to bed. Quick bowl skis, or 3, and pass right back in. Could you? Okay, nothing. Noise. Come here, fucker. It's a good Christmas. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Tomorrow's Boxing Day, but meh. Cash rules. That's true. Last crew that wanted caught 100 trying to pass through. Jeez, Will, what are you fucking playing in it? Skull. Get in trouble for all this stuff I just did on this video. Sleep is sacred. I'm gonna try to get some. Thanks for hanging out.